Hey carnivore, ketovore lovers, come along with me today while I'm making my one meal of the day. I've got these picanha steaks and I got a lot of extra fat on the back, so I'm going to cut that off. And I'm actually going to create some fat by rendering it down, and that's what I'm going to cook my steaks in. And we do add a little rosemary for flavor. I salted them real good. That's the only seasoning I'm using. And then we're going to cook the eggs in that fat. Get those eggs on the plate, cut this up perfectly medium rare. Again, it's one of my favorite steaks. If you haven't had an opportunity, I recommend. I have a little bit of mozzarella with tomato and fresh basil I have on the side, a little more animal based, but